Unraveling the charm of mischievousness. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, being mischievous. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of English expressions. So, let's dive in and uncover the charm of mischievousness. Being mischievous refers to the act of playfully causing minor trouble or engaging in harmless pranks. It's often associated with a light-hearted, teasing behavior that is not intended to harm or offend anyone. This phrase captures a sense of fun and playfulness, often seen in children or even playful adults. Key characteristics of mischievous behavior. 1. Playfulness. The core of mischievous behavior is being playful. 2. Harmlessness. It's crucial that the actions don't hurt anyone. 3. Teasing nature. Often involves teasing or playful tricks. To better understand the phrase, let's look at some common examples. 1. Hiding a friend's belongings. Playfully hiding someone's things for a short time. 2. Making a harmless prank call. Calling someone for fun without causing distress. 3. Playing light-hearted tricks. Small, harmless tricks that are intended to amuse, not upset. These examples should give you a clearer picture of what being mischievous looks like in everyday life. Mischievousness is a concept found in many cultures and languages, often depicted in literature and media. Characters like Peter Pan or Loki from mythology are perfect examples of mischievous personalities. Understanding this concept can help you appreciate various cultural contexts where playfulness and light-hearted trouble are seen positively. Let's practice using the phrase in sentences. 1. The children were being mischievous by playing harmless pranks on their teacher. 2. His mischievous smile suggested he had a playful trick up his sleeve. 3. The puppy's mischievous behavior included stealing socks and playfully running away. Notice how the phrase adds a playful, light tone to each sentence. We hope this video has illuminated the playful world of being mischievous. Remember, the essence of this phrase is all about fun, playfulness, and a touch of harmless trickery. Use it to describe light-hearted, teasing actions, but always ensure it remains in the realm of good fun. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.